Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how we can make sweet corn at home, only way. Start by choosing fresh ears with bright silk and tight kernels, then soak them in cool water for about 10 minutes to refresh sweetness. Husk carefully, trim silk, and decide whether you will boil, steam, or grill. Use a timer, watch for tenderness, and finish with butter, salt, or your favorite seasonings for perfect results every time. To prep sweet corn, remove outer husks and pull away most of the silk, but keep ears intact for easier handling. Soak each ear in cool water for about 10 minutes to plump kernels and reduce stringiness, which helps when grilling or boiling. Trim the stem ends and pat dry, then season lightly or apply oil so the corn cooks evenly and finishes with tender, juicy kernels and bright flavor. You can boil, steam, or grill sweet corn depending on texture and flavor you want. Boiling takes 4 to 6 minutes in salted water for tender, bright kernels, while steaming for 6 to 8 minutes preserves more natural sugar. Grilling over medium heat for 8 to 12 minutes yields a smoky char. Turn occasionally and brush with oil. Test a kernel for tenderness and finish with butter and a pinch of salt to taste.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.